Firstly, open the unsecured website that we want to use for the Cloudflare web application firewall. We use best helloworld.site as our website does not possess a secure socket layer SSL. Next, go to Cloudflare and click Login on the top right corner of the website to log in the account that has been registered. Enter the email and the password that you have registered. Then click Login button. Once you have done login, it will automatically direct to the dashboard of Cloudflare. To continue, insert the website's domain name and click Add to Site button. In this video, I already add the website's domain name of mine. Then proceed to complete the name server setup. Follow the steps given. To alter the name servers, go to Hostinger and log in to domain registrar. I will log in using my Gmail account. Once you have done login, it will direct to dashboard of Hostinger. For your information, I use a sharing account with my friends. Next, click Manage and click another Manage. Later, change the name servers using the name servers given by Cloudflare and save. Go back to the Cloudflare and click Check Name Servers button. In this part, we need to wait for a few hours for the update process. Once the update process has done, it will display a message. Then click button Review Settings. In this part, simply click Save button for every configuration offered by Cloudflare, as it is to configure your domain settings. Lastly, click Finish button. Now Cloudflare is protecting the website. Next, go to the SSL or TLS option in Cloudflare and click Edge Certificates. Scroll down a little bit and turn on the Always Use HTTPS. Now take a look to the website and refresh. The website now is secure and protected by Cloudflare. Moreover, we can overview the visitors of our website in Cloudflare. We also can see how much the number and the time that visitors come into the website. Next, Cloudflare will show whether there is a threat or not for last 24 hours. There were no threats detected during this time period. Here, we can also see that our SSL or TLS encryption is in full mode, where encrypts end-to-end using a self-signed certificate on the server. We can always check whether Always Use HTTPS is in on or off mode. If it is in the off mode, we need to on the button. Lastly, the SSL certificate issued by Cloudflare shows that we have succeeded to secure the website.